हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज का टॉपिक है कॉन्टिन्यूटी। कॉन्टिन्यूटी दैट मीन्स अ फंक्शन which can be drawn without lifting the pen. That means a smooth curve is called continuous function. If a function is continuous at x is equal to c, then we can say limit x tending to c fx is equal to fc. Limit x tending to c can be break in two parts. First left hand limit and second right hand limit. Limit x tending to c fx exist if and only if left hand limit and right hand limit both are equal. LHL means left hand limit. RHL that means right hand limit. Left hand limit and right hand limit mathematically represented by limit h tending to 0 f c minus h, and right hand limit is represented by limit h tending to 0 f c plus h, where h is a very small positive quantity. Left hand limit can also represented by fc minus 0 or simply fc minus, or limit x tending to c minus fx. Similarly, right hand limit can be represented by c plus 0, c plus, or limit x tending to c plus fx. That means if function is continuous at x is equal to c, then left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit is equal to f at c. Otherwise, the function will be discontinuous. To explain the concept of continuity, we take the first question of exercise 5.1 of NCERT. Fx is equal to 5x minus 3 at x is equal to 0. The value of the function at x is equal to 0, that means f0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 3, that means minus 3. Left hand limit is equal to limit h tending to 0 f 0 minus h, that means limit h tending to 0 5 0 minus h minus 3. Taking limit, we get 5 0 minus 0 minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. And right hand limit, limit h tending to 0 f 0 plus h, that means limit h tending to 0 fx is equal to 5 x, that means 0 plus h minus 3, Taking limit, we get 5, 0 plus 0 minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 3 is equal to 3. That means f0 is equal to left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, and this implies the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now we take the 8th question of exercise 5.1 of NCERT. In this question, the value of the function changes at x is equal to 0 only. Therefore, we have to check the continuity of this function at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. f0 will be equal to 0 given left hand limit h tending to 0 f0 minus h, limit h tending to 0 f0 minus h, 0 minus h is not equal to 0. Therefore, here we use the value of the function fx is equal to mod of x upon x. That means mod of 0 minus h upon 0 minus h. Limit h tending to 0 mod of minus h upon mod of minus h. Since h is positive, therefore minus h will be negative and their mod will be plus h upon minus h. That means limit h tending to 0 minus 1. Taking limit, we get minus 1. Similarly, right hand limit is equal to limit h tending to 0 f0 plus h is equal to limit h tending to 0 mod of 0 plus h upon 0 plus h is equal to limit h tending to 0 mod of h upon h, mod of h is equal to h since h is positive. H upon h, that means 1. Taking limit, we get 1. We know that 0 is neither equal to minus 1 nor equal to 1. That means f0 is neither equal to left hand limit nor equal to right hand limit. And this implies fx is not continuous at x is equal to 0.